Have you ever found yourself staring at the gym entrance, feeling intimidated and unsure where to start? Skipping the gym isn't just about missing out on workouts. It's about missing out on opportunities to transform your life. Studies show that consistent gym goers are 30% more likely to achieve their goals compared to those who don't exercise regularly. Your future self will thank you for taking the first step towards a healthier, happier lifestyle today. Step 1. Find your why. Figure out why you want to go to the gym. Is it to get stronger? Maybe you want to feel healthier or have more energy throughout the day. Or perhaps you want to gain more confidence or simply feel better about yourself. Whatever your reason, it's super important to identify it and keep it in mind. Take a moment to really think about it. Why do you want to start this journey? Write it down if you have to. Put it somewhere you can see it every day, like on your mirror or your fridge. This will be your motivation when things get tough and you feel like skipping a workout. Your why is your personal driving force. It's what will keep you going when you're tired or when you don't feel like getting up early for that morning workout. It's what will push you to keep going, even on those days when you feel like giving up. Spend some time reflecting on your reasons. Maybe even talk about it with a friend or write it in a journal. The clearer you are about why you want to go to the gym, the easier it will be to stay committed and make fitness a part of your lifestyle. Step 2. Start small. You don't need to spend hours in the gym on your first day. In fact, it's better if you don't. Starting with small, achievable goals is the key to success. Begin with just 20 to 30 minutes of exercise a few times a week. This not only helps you ease into the routine, but also prevents burnout. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a tiny seedling to grow into a towering tree overnight, right? It takes time, patience, and consistent care. The same goes for your fitness journey. By starting small and gradually increasing your time and intensity, you're giving yourself the best chance to grow stronger and healthier over time. Consistency is the secret sauce here. It's not about hitting the gym for a marathon session once in a blue moon. It's about showing up regularly, even when you don't feel like it. Those small, consistent efforts add up over time, leading to real, lasting results. So, don't rush it. Take it one step at a time, one workout at a time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and trust the process. Before you know it, those 20 to 30 minutes will turn into an hour, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without your gym time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fit, healthy body. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. You've got this. Step 3. Plan your workouts. Knowing what you're going to do at the gym makes it way easier to stay motivated. You can create a simple plan yourself or find one online. Having a plan means no more wandering around, wondering what to do next. Plus, it ensures you're making the most of your time. Mix things up by incorporating cardio, strength training, and classes. Cardio boosts your heart health and mood, while strength training builds muscle and revs up your metabolism. Classes add variety and community. Remember, consistency and variety are key to success. Stick to your plan, but don't be afraid to switch things up occasionally. Your body will thank you. Step 4. Find a gym buddy. Everything's more fun with a friend, right? That's like having a built-in cheerleader. So, here's a game changer. Find yourself a gym buddy. Seriously, having someone else who's also eager to start their fitness journey can make all the difference. Not only can you motivate each other to actually show up at the gym, but you can also keep each other accountable. You know, it's like having a friendly reminder saying, hey, let's go crush those goals together. Plus, it's just way more enjoyable to have someone to share the experience with. Imagine having someone to high-five after a tough workout or to laugh with. So, don't be shy. Reach out to a friend, a family member, or even a co-worker who's been talking about wanting to get in shape. Trust me, having a gym buddy can make the whole experience 100 times better. You'll be each other's biggest fans and biggest motivators. So, what are you waiting for?